and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about headache wands or relaxation wands. Have you ever gone on the internet and looked at all these products and going, oh, does that really work? Well, this one actually has worked for our family, so I'm going to show you how to make it today. So all you need to do a headache wand, and what a headache wand is if you have a tension headache, maybe over your eye, or my son had one on the back of his neck, this helps just to relieve it and take away the pain before you resort to Tylenol. So it's so easy to make, and I just wanted to show you how to make it. So all you need for materials is some sort of carrier oil, which is this jojoba oil, and then 2 essential oils. And the first one is lavender, and the second one is peppermint. You never want to put true 100% pure essential oils on your skin because they're too potent and they can cause rashes and later on allergies. And then you need you don't actually need this, but it's a good idea. It's a 10 millimeter roll-on container, and it has the roll-on right here. I've just taken it off. And then you'll need a small funnel to put inside and measuring spoons. Excuse me, I just lost the lid to that. And that's it. It's incredibly simple, and it's something that you can keep in your medicine cabinet if you want. I actually keep it beside my bed. So what I do is I have just a little container so that this doesn't tip over when I add the ingredients. So I'm putting that there with the funnel. Well, before we do the funnel, I'm going to measure out 1.5 teaspoons of the carrier oil, and I use jojoba. So measure that out. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to put on my glasses because I can't see very well. And take the funnel and pour in, that's 1 teaspoon. And hopefully that'll stay right there. Perfect. And then I'll do a half more. You don't want to make too much. Just make enough that you can use up within 6 months or so. Okay, and then I'm going to get my glasses for this because I can't see. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add 5 drops of lavender oil into the funnel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And then 3 drops of peppermint oil. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Oh, that was 4. Oh, well. Okay. And that's it. So what's next is, we'll just make sure everything gets out. Perfect. And then you put on the roll-on. There we go. And the lid. And then just shake it. So when my son had a tension headache and he had a little pain above the eye, all I did was I took this and I rubbed it right in the spot where he had the tension headache. And within 1 or 2 minutes, the headache was gone. For me, I've tried it. He's tried it twice and it worked both times, which is great because I don't want to give him Tylenol if I don't have to. For me, I've had 3 types of headaches, and 2 of them, this worked. And with 1 headache, it didn't work, and I had to just actually use Tylenol. But the other thing I actually love about this is sometimes before bed, I will take it off and I will rub it in my T-zone, and I will go right under my nose here. And that way, when I'm falling asleep, I get that really nice lavender smell under my nose that completely relaxes me, and I fall asleep right away. That is it for the headache wand. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Thanks, Luna.